Holy planetary mass, Batman.
That's right.
I almost called
This
you
time,
Mass Man.
it's okay. This time, of course, the mass of the satellite still doesn't matter.
This can't be the right answer.
No.
That's funny.
But we are looking for a mass this time.
Yes, we are.
And we've got a velocity, so that's...
Got to use this guy, right?
Uh-huh.
Satellite mass cancels. We are going to
get rid of one R.
That, right? So then we get, v squared R equals g MC. I guess what we do, divide by g, right?
Divide by g.
Right, so just cross multiply this times this times, that's a 1 there, right? Okay, so v squared is
5380 squared times 4.52 times 10 to the 6.
Yeah, times 4.
Divided by 6.67 times 10 to the negative 11th. The magical number which makes all of the other unit systems work together.
And 5380. All right, so we're ready to go to the WABIT EMU. All right, so let's see. What was it? You remember what it was? What was it? It was
I forget. We might have to go back. It was like 5, 3.
We're solving for MC, right?
Yeah.
So it was divided by G, wasn't it? It was
divided by G.
V squared RO divided by G.
Yeah, but I was trying to remember what V is.
V was 5380.
5380.
So 5380 squared.
And then we had the radius,
4.52.
4.52.
E6, right?
Right.
E6
divided by 6.67
divided by
6.67.
Here we go. Is that right?
That is right.
I think that's right.
I think that's right.
So 1.96 times 10 to the 24th. Let's see how we did. And that's, of course, not the right answer, so we don't know. 1.96 times 10 to the 24th. That's definitely right, though.
I'm feeling good.
Yeah, I'm feeling good about that, right? Yeah. All right. Okay. Let's see. Oh, hey, we got a different answer there. So that could be the right answer. Okay, so notice that this one's got period in it, right? Okay, and then this is kilometers, so that'll have to be times 10 to the third. And then we've got the mass of the spacecraft, but that's a satellite mass, so that's going to cancel, right? Okay. Clearly, we got to use this condition because we've got the period, right?
Yeah. Well, to be perfectly honest, you could put that 24,600 in there, and it would turn out to be inconsequential.
It'll cancel.
Well, yeah. Why would you?
Why would you even do that? Why would you? What kind of person would do that?
Somebody that's misguided.
I know. Nobody's going to watch this video anyway. All right, so 4 pi squared.
Tell you what, let's see. If you can come up to me and Mr. Murray and say the code word is Zamboni, then I will shake your hand, because then it will prove to us that you actually watched this video.
Zamboni. I'm afraid of Zambonis. Okay, so we cross multiply 4 pi squared r times r squared. It doesn't cancel, right? So it's 4 pi squared
cubed
r to the third equals, and then this times this, right? So t squared GMC. What are we solving for? Oh, MC, right?
Yeah, MC. Okay. So divide both sides by t squared and g.
There we go. Right. Those things go the way of the bison, and we're set, right? So 4 pi squared r to the third.
Yeah, so it's 2.3 times 10 to the third.
So 2,300, right?
2,300 cubed.
Raised to the third.
Divide by
6.67
times 10 to the negative 11th. Times.
Times. So we got to do the
times 2,500 squared. Now, this is the one where you got to be a little bit careful when you're putting in your calculator, because if you say 4 pi squared, then times 2,300 cubed, divided by, you have a choice. You can go divided by 6.67 times 10 to the negative 11th, and then divided by 2,500 squared, or you have to use the parentheses. Do the top part first, 4 pi squared times 2,300 cubed, divided by, oh, wait for it, left parentheses, 6.67 times 10 to the negative 11th times 2,500 squared, right parentheses.
Let me show you what we're doing here. So So that was a 4 pi r to the third and then divided by gt squared, right? So,
Correct.
so 4 times
Times pi squared r.
pi squared, don't forget to square it, right? Times r to the third,
2300.
2.3 kilometers, right?
Yeah.
Raised to the third. And I like to divide and then put the parentheses there. I think that's the most clear thing. Secretly, I just go
think so.
divided by because it's fewer keystrokes.
Right.
But I want to be a good example here. So 6.67 e minus 11. Right, and then it was times t squared. So t was 2,500.
Yep.
All right, square that thing to that. Yeah.
Yeah, that's going to work.
That's gonna
And,
work.
oh, yeah.
So 1.15 times 10 to the 15th, and the answer at the bottom there was 1.2 times 10 to the 15th. So we rounded that because it rounded up. Yay.
Perfect.